The heavy-duty cat scratch deterrent furniture protectors are designed to protect your furniture from scratches caused by cats. These protectors are made from clear vinyl, which allows them to blend in with your furniture while still providing protection. They can be applied to sofas, doors, and other surfaces that your cat may scratch. Buy from Amazon. Link in description. The anti-scratch tape guards and cat couch corner protectors are designed to be easy to install, and they come with adhesive backing that can be easily applied and removed without leaving any residue. They are also durable and designed to withstand heavy scratching, which makes them a great choice for households with active cats. Customers who have used this product have generally been satisfied with its effectiveness in deterring cats from scratching their furniture. However, some customers have noted that the adhesive backing can be difficult to remove without leaving residue, and that the protectors may not be as effective on leather furniture. Overall, if you are looking for an effective way to protect your furniture from cat scratches, the heavy-duty cat scratch deterrent furniture protectors may be a good option to consider. It is important to note that every cat is different, so the effectiveness of the product may vary depending on your cat's behavior and habits.